Alright guys, so we are back with that light fixture. My girlfriend said she wants to keep it, and she said she thinks it's going to look good, being 22 inches, and it's going to be a little bit smaller. She said it'll look good. So I have to be quiet a little bit because my tenants, it's after 10 o'clock and I don't want to be mean. So I put the bracket in, that's that back bracket that you guys saw. I had to, my box isn't aligned with this 26-inch cabinet. So I had to move the bracket over 1 inch to the left to make it center line with the door right here. So now that I made it center line, it's going to be perfect and it's going to fit right in the center. I'm going to put the level on the top and I'm going to tighten these screws. I'm not going to tighten it with a drill, like I said, because I don't want to be loud. So I'm just going to put it in by hand. Hopefully I'll be quick with that, and let's get to that right away. And that's it. And then we'll see what this looks like. We'll hook up the wires, and we'll see what this Allen Roth, or whatever the hell the name of it, looks like, and how bright it is. All right. All right. Let's get this light installed. It's very light. Ground is on. Let's wire in the black wire now. Hopefully the power's not on. I don't think it is, because this would be on. Hopefully that yellow one is going to be good enough. You know, the yellow wire nut. I hope the yellow one's going to be thick enough for me to do my deed. Let's see. One is on. Is there a top and a bottom? You know what? I don't know. Hopefully not. I don't think there is. I don't think there's going to be a difference between top and bottom. At least I don't think so. But I lost the screw anyway because I'm a bum. Alright, all done. So let's test it out, see what it looks like. And now we're going to turn it on. Let's go back so you guys can actually see it turned on. Alright, ready? Bam. Nice. On. Done. Next thing. Next project. Next project in my house that we have to get done ASAP. Yep, very bright in here. Okay guys, so that's the finished product. We're pretty much done now. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright guys, I'm out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.